Good morning, change makers. This is your first official Snook science video, and you'll be seeing many more of these. I like to make them the day before the lesson so that as soon as you come into class and do your bell work, you can watch the video and get an explanation of what is supposed to happen. So, what you see on the board here or on your screen, it should be projected on the board on Mr. Aiello's computer, is today's agenda. The learning objectives, again, are staying the same for the entire 3 weeks. And you need to keep in mind, how is my consumption of water affecting other people in the planet? So first of all, just a couple of things. I want to tell you I had a really great first day with you. I'm exhausted. I hope that you got a lot out of it. There's a lot going on today, and it may take you a while to process everything, but I wanted to give you that experience today while I was on campus. And I will do my best to keep it engaging through Google Classroom as much as possible. So on today's agenda, you've already done the bell work. So that opened at when you first came into class, and it was due at 8:45. Please make sure that when you do the bell work that you hit turn in or submit so that it marks it correctly in the grade book so I don't have to go looking for it. All right, the next thing you're going to do is what's called visual vocabulary. And on your Google Classroom, it will open up and it'll look like this, visual vocabulary. And when you click on it, there'll be some Google Slides here for you to fill out on your own with these words that are in our project plan. How do you find the project plan? Well, if you need to remember those words, this is where you find the project plan. Also, don't forget, at some point, read your syllabus and sign your course contract. Thank you to the 7 students who have already done that and got their 10 points. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how visual vocabulary works very quickly. This is what it will look like when you open it. There are enough slides here for you to do the vocabulary words. I'm going to do an example. And I'm just going to an example so I can show you how easy this is. So I'm going to use the word teacher as a vocabulary word. And the definition, I could look it up, but teacher is anyone who can share information with another human being that helps that person grow intellectually. This is my own definition. I did not look up anything. So I'm going to say this word makes me think of me, because I happen to be a teacher. And a synonym of this word might be a mom, because a mom helps their child gather information, shares with the child what's good, what's bad, don't eat that, don't touch this. And the child learns and grows intellectually. Maybe I'll just erase mom and just say parent or adult. Just so you know, even if you're a kid, you can be a teacher. All right, and here you can insert a Google drawing or an image. If you want to insert a drawing, you do need to open the tab and go to Google Drawing to draw it. Otherwise, you can go to Google Image. I'm going to go up to Insert. I'm going to go to Image. I'm going to go to Search the Web. And I happen to be on the web. I'm going to just open a tab. I'm going to type in my name. because I happen to be on the web. Images. And let's see. Look at all these Nicoles. Where am I? How about we get rid of the B? There I am. All right, so I'm just going to copy that image and I'm going to put it in here to help me remember what a teacher is. Done. And I can move on to the next word. So the words that you're going to be using are listed on the assignment here. So feel free to copy and paste those into your visual vocabulary in the first box so that you know, and then keep going from there. Once you're done with that, you will turn it in. The next thing on the agenda, that is due at 9:45. And I keep things on time to kind of help you stay on track. The next thing on the agenda is you're going to go through slides 10 through 13 on the teacher computer. So Mr. Aiello, I'm going to need you to project slides 10 starting here with the 2019 Super Bowl commercial, and you're going to hit play so that everybody can see it and hear it. Then you're going to go to slide 11, and somebody in the classroom, please read this out loud so that other people can hear what it has to say and read along with you. Then you're going to go to slide 12 and watch the 2021 Coke commercial. Hit play. It's on YouTube, so it has to be played off the teacher's computer. And then I want you to take a look at this chart. This is the actual cost of a 30-second Super Bowl ad for any company that wanted to have a Super Bowl ad according to the year. And I wrote some information here that's going to be helpful for you in a little while because you have to do some math. So we'll go back to the agenda and see what's coming up next. So once you see those videos and you look at that chart, you're going to go back to Google Classroom and click on the Coca-Cola Super Bowl math. And this is due at 10:30. So in your Google Classroom, it'll be right here. It says Super Bowl math. You'll click on that. And in there are some slides that look like this. And on these slides is a math problem, and then you have a space to write your answer. But before you write your answer, you have to explain your math. So I recommend you have a piece of scratch paper, you have a calculator open up on the computer, and you write down the steps. You're going to just tell me what you did. Minus, add, divide, multiply, just tell me what numbers, and your final answer is what I'm going to be looking for to see how close you got. I have the answers and I'll go over those tomorrow with you. You have 3 math questions here, and this is probably the most important question on this, and it's okay if you work with a partner, but you need to explain the math by yourself on your own slides and turn that in when you are done. Let's go back to the agenda. After that, you're going to be doing a reading comprehension on Google Classroom, and that is due at 11:30. Remember, break is at 10:30, 15-minute break. So after you turn in Super Bowl math, you may take a break, supervised, and then when you come back in, you're going to do a reading comprehension. This is what the reading comprehension looks like. You can see it looks just like it does on the slides. You click on that. And there's a website here for you to go to. You're going to read the article and you're going to answer some questions, fill in the blank right here. Here's the article. Here's a link to it if you needed it. And there is a bonus question here. So for those of you who like to do some thinking and some math, there is a bonus question here. All right. Then let's see what's left. Once you're done with the reading comprehension, you will have done a lot for the day. So I'd like you to spend some time on the Coca-Cola Company's sustainability on their website, but particularly looking at their sustainability business. aspect of it. So once you click on that link, this is where you will go. This is what the website looks like, and I'd like you to explore this tab. So you're going to stay on this page. You can click anything on this page to learn more. You don't have to write anything down. It's more of a reading, getting familiar with what Coke is doing to become more sustainable. And you have an exit ticket that will open up at 12:20, and that has to be done before you leave class. It has to be turned in. Now, I will give you a hint. The exit ticket is based on the website, so it would be in your best interest to pay attention to that aspect of the website that I just showed you. So again, you're looking at the sustainable business aspect. All right, so anytime you see a link on a slide or a link in the Google Classroom, it'll take you exactly where I need you to go. As always, I am here to answer questions, preferably after 10:30 in the morning, so after your break. And you can email me. You can call me from the school phone that's on the front, on the floor. And I can hop on a Google Meets if needed to after 10:30 in the morning. So you have a lot to do before then. Good luck. Have fun. Help each other. Use your own brain, though, when it comes to writing your answers. Also, by the way, if y'all wanted to take a look at how everybody responded on the exit ticket from Monday, I have a slide here, slide number 9, that has the responses from everybody. Again, thank you for your attention, and I'll see you later. Don't forget, who's awesome? I can't hear you. All right.